Hello there. Today, we're going to demonstrate how to activate discounts in Easy Bundles. As you can see, there's a percentage-based discount enabled in the bundle displayed here. To activate this feature, navigate to the Bundle E and select the Edit option. This is where you can activate the discounts and pricing. To do so, simply switch on this toggle. You'll notice there are three types of discounts: fixed amount, percentage, and fixed bundle price. The rules for these discounts can be set based on quantity and amount, with up to 4 rules that can be established. If you wish to activate the box quantity option, it can be done by switching on this toggle. Similarly, to activate the discount progress bar, click here and enable it. Additionally, there are multiple language options available. You can activate this feature from this section as well by enabling the multiple language option. This is how you set up the rules. On the front end, it will appear something like this. Once customers add the product to their cart, the discount will be applied at both the cart and checkout stages. We hope this information is helpful. Thank you.